Kia ora. In this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve text for a text block or a note block. It's a first step into offering the option to get content back that was deleted. When you put a text or note block onto the page and write some text, you can save it. Return to it to make some changes and save them. Now, if you realize that you accidentally changed more than you should, or completely deleted the original content, you can click the Restore button and get the content back. A preview is displayed so you can confirm that it's the correct text, and then you can overwrite whatever is in the text box. There are a couple of things to note. Only one backup of previous text is kept. In the future, it is possible to expand that to more if desired. This works for text and note blocks, but not other places where you enter text. Lastly, when you select the use of the backup copy, the text that was displayed in the text box is completely overwritten. There is no merging. This new feature will be available in Mahara 2404 thanks to a few of our Catalyst clients having pulled their support hours. It is issue 93 in our issue and wishlist item tracker. If you'd like to sponsor a new feature, please get in touch with me.